Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my YouTube friends. How are you? So today we are going to learn some English sentences with the use of will or shall. Now, why do we use will and shall? Whenever we want to talk about our future, we use will or shall. Now, next question is, how do we use will or shall? So whenever you, she, he, it, they, these pronouns comes, you will use will, and whenever I or we comes, we use shall with it. Okay, like I shall, we shall, you will, she will, he will, it will, they will. Now let's move on to sentences. This is, we shall leave for school. We shall leave for school. Now let me tell you one thing, that in today's generation, will is very common for the future tenses. Okay, shall is not so common. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you find it useful. Thank you so much. Next sentence is, you will be happy. You will be happy. You will be happy, right? As I've told you that you will be used with he, she, it, they, right? Next sentence is, we shall leave by car. We shall leave by car. Now the next sentence is, here's the question arrives. Now it starts with I. Why don't we use shall with it? As I've told you before, that will is very common with the future sentences now. So that's why I will be bored. I will be bored. Or you can say I shall be bored. Both sentences are correct, right? So you can use will or you can use shall with I and we. Next is, we shall dance together. We shall dance together. Or you can say we will dance together. Both sentences are correct. We shall dance together or we will dance together. Next is, I shall tie my shoelace. I shall tie my shoelace. Or you can use will. Also use will. I will tie my shoelace. Next sentence is, we will go to zoo. We will go to zoo. Because you are talking about tomorrow. That's why you use will or you use shall whenever you want to talk about tomorrow. Okay, so that's the point. Next is, you will pack your bag. You will pack your bag. Now just one point that I'm going to add here, you cannot use shall with you, he, she, it, they. You can't. You only use shall with I and we. That's the only thing that I want to clear. Okay. Next is, they will go to picnic. They will go to picnic. Now you cannot use they shall go to picnic. It would be wrong, right? So you always use will. They will enjoy on swings, right? As you can see, as you can assume from the picture, they will enjoy on swings. The thing which the kids were playing is called swing. Now next is, I will eat pizza. It's not pizza, please. Don't call it pizza. It's pizza, okay? Now, I will eat pizza or I shall eat pizza. Both sentences are correct. I shall go for shopping tomorrow. I shall go for shopping tomorrow. As you can see, she is talking about tomorrow. The thing that is going to happen. That's called your future. And whenever you talk about your future, I'm telling you this, you always use will with it. Or you always use shall with it. Okay? I will be late. I will be late. I shall be late. You can use both, but only with we and I. Now next is, they will enjoy their meal. They will enjoy their meal. English is actually very easy if you are not going into the complication of like tenses. I'm going to make a video on tenses later, but just keeps on practicing. Now this is, she will write a book. She will write a book. That is going to happen. That's why she will write a book. Okay? Next is we will be cheer for you. Will be cheer for you. We shall be cheer for you. We shall cheer for you. We will be cheer for you. Okay? So you can use shall. I'm sorry if it annoys you or if it bothers you, but I have to keep on telling you this because this is really important, right? Now she will work hard. She. Here I'm using she, right? So whenever you use he or she or they or it, you use will, right? I shall take a shower, or I will take a shower, right? I hope this video helps you a lot to learn English, and I hope it clarifies you a lot of problems whenever you try to speak with will or shall. And see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.